What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. All right, let's get right into it, man. Y'all seen the title, seen the thumbnail, all that good stuff, man. I got a Nike dunk for y'all, man. This one's been pretty popular lately. People have been posting this one a lot, like just throughout social media, saying it's a really nice colorway. I seen it at my local Hibbett Sports while I was at home in Dallas for Christmas break. Decided to grab it. Let's talk about it, man. The tag on this joint reads Nike Dunk Low Retro White Cosmic Clay and Dusty Cactus, size 12, personal size, man. Let's check these joints out. Now here we have the Nike Dunk Low and it's Miami Dolphin themed colorway. These joints been floating around social media a lot lately. Let's check out these details, check out these materials. Let's see how you like them, man. Now starting with the front of the shoe, man. The shoe comes laced in a white, smooth leather, panda style leather, nothing special with the materials. Has that teal looking color going across the toe cap, going all the way around the front of the shoe as well. The side panel has the smooth white leather as well with that orange color swoosh. True Miami Dolphin colorway, man. It's a perfect name for these joints. The back of this joint has the teal bluish color coming all the way back around. Has that white hit in the middle. The orange heel tab with the Nike embroidered in, man. Super smooth there. Coming to the inside of the shoe, man, still has that same teal bluish color with the orange swoosh again, man. True Miami Dolphin fashion. Getting back to the front of the shoe, man. All white laces, all white tongue tag with the teal Nike embroidered in. Has the teal blue going up through the eye stays and the eyelets as well, man. Super smooth colorway, man. If you're a Miami Dolphins fan, it's playoff time, man. The Dolphins are doing pretty good right now, man. This is a good shoe for you to grab. Rock it with your Tua jersey. Me personally, I'll be rocking a Tyreek Hill jersey. If I was to go ahead and grab a jersey, it definitely would have to be Tyreek Hill. Super clean shoe, man. Perfect for the Dolphins, perfect for the playoffs. Just in time, man. Now getting into the midsole, man. Has a pure white midsole and midsole stitching. Has that teal blue color going all the way across the outsole, man. Super duper Miami Dolphin shoe. Perfect name for it. Let me know how you guys are feeling about this joint so far. Let's check out this right shoe. Now getting into this right shoe, man, just the same as the left. It has the white smooth leather going across the toe box. The teal blue going across the toe cap, going all the way around the side of the shoe as well. White on that mid panel, quarter panel. Orange on the swoosh. Orange on the back heel tab with the white Nike embroidered in. Blue and white hits as well on the back of the shoe. Getting to the inside, man, just the same as the outside and just the same as the other shoe. Has a teal hitch, Miami Dolphin colorway with the orange swoosh. Super dope on these, man. I can't lie to you. This is one of the better men's dunks to release lately. It's definitely super heavily themed and super like colorful, I would say. Not colorful as in multicolor, but it's a color shoe, so it's not really neutral where you can wear it a lot. But it is a good looking shoe overall, man. The inside of the shoe, man, is all teal insole with the white Nike pressed on, man. Nice touch there. Pure white midsole, as I mentioned earlier. Has a teal going across the outsole. White laces, man. They didn't have any extras as far as like any extra laces or any extra colors going across the aglets or the lace tips, man. Pure white going across the full lace. Super nice touch, man. They didn't have to do too much with these. They nailed it if they were actually trying to design a Miami Dolphin shoe. They definitely nailed it. If they were just doing a random dunk color, they still nailed it as well, man. Super nice dunk. Super clean if you're a Dolphin fan as well, as I mentioned earlier, man. Check out the quality and pricing on these joints, man. Now, as far as quality and quality control, man, you're not getting anything special as far as the materials, man. You can expect your regular Panda Dunk style leather, man. The super stiff plastic feel. Do they look good? Yes. But is the material nice? Not at all, man. Just getting a regular Nike Dunk there. Don't expect anything special, man. Just getting a regular shoe, regular dunk, regular price tag on these joints. No premium tag, so you're getting a regular shoe there. As far as quality control, man, on the few pairs that I've seen, nothing too crazy besides like your regular like excess glue going across like where the outsole and the upper bonds together. But other than that, man, nothing too crazy as far as flaws on a few pairs that I've seen. I wouldn't be surprised if there are some crazy flaw pairs just because it is a dunk. They're just kind of throwing these joints together and pushing them out a lot. But pretty decent shoe overall. Now, as far as pricing on these joints, these were 115 bucks here in Texas. It was like 125 out the door, man. So definitely a cheap shoe, decently priced, man. Nothing too crazy. And as far as resale, man, you definitely will be able to grab these joints for like around that retail price in a couple of weeks once all of your big stores and they do official Nike releases and things like that. But as of now, man, these joints are like 150, 160 max across all sizes. So still very affordable if you want to hurry up and grab them now. But if I was you, I would check your local Hibbits, your local City Gears. You'll probably be able to grab these joints for retail, man, at 115 plus tax if you're in the tax state, 115 flat if you're in a no tax area. But super dope shoe, man, not too pricey, clean colorway, perfect for the Dolphins fans. But y'all leave me a comment down below. Just let me know how you feeling about these joints. But overall, man, this is about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this Nike Dunk Low and its Miami Dolphins themed colorway, man. Let me know how you feeling about these. Leave your honest opinion down below. This is a cop for you. You dropping? Are you dripping, flipping, skipping? Just leave me your honest opinion down below. If this is me and I'm a Miami Dolphins fan, this is a super drip. If not, I can understand it kind of being a hit or miss colorway with like the teal and the orange, kind of like an awkwardly colored shoe, but still clean nonetheless, man. It's not very neutral. You won't be able to wear it with everything, but is it a clean dunk? Absolutely, man. Definitely one of the better dunks to release lately and a good dunk to end the year off with, man. But like I said, man, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the Nike Dunk Low in the Miami Dolphin themed colorway, man. Peace.